Thank you for joining me today. Please remember to like and subscribe and click that notification button so you'll get my latest video notifications. I try to post weekly for you, and please check out all my content. If you are looking for something new and different, try my yoga pose breakdowns and see what piques your interest. I have also lots of flows that incorporate these different yoga poses. Thank you for joining me for this breath of joy breakdown. It's a breathing technique and it's also a yoga pose. So it's a yoga pose that has a unique breathing incorporated into it. We're going to start on our mats in mountain pose. So go ahead and get your mat down, get your feet nice hip width apart. Kind of relax through the knees. We're going to do 3 inhales with 1 exhale. So it's going to be an inhale. We're going to do palms up, inhale, inhale, and then we'll do an exhale as we bend forward. So I will show you first and then we can do it together. All right, here we go. Inhale. So when you do your inhales, you're going to inhale, palms forward. Inhale, palms out and up. Inhale, palms all the way risen. Then we're going to exhale through our mouth and down. And that would be 1 breath of joy. Okay? We're going to go ahead and go through it 3 times just so you can get some practice. Here we go. And then slowly come on up. And again. Last time. That's it. It is great to bring clarity to mind. So go ahead when you're feeling lethargic or just need to add some joy in your life, go ahead and do the breath of joy. Thanks again. Have a great day.